Okay, so hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a neat paper airplane that I think I created myself with a couple of different variations to other planes. They're all put together in this one. Since I'm using a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and it's colored on one side blue. Okay, so you're going to turn the paper over and you're going to fold it in half. You're going to make it so that they're almost perfectly equal. Okay, and now you're going to take your fingers and you're going to sweep out. Just like that, and make sure they're equal, and okay. A nice sharp crease. Okay. You're going to open it up, and you're going to see this line straight down the middle. Okay, so you're going to take these top edges, and you're going to take this corner, you're going to fold it along the middle line. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing with this one. Okay. So once you've done that, you should have a shape of a thing that looks like this. So now you're going to take this, you're actually going to fold it over. You're actually going to take this again, and you're going to fold it along the center line. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. Let me crease that down real good. Okay. Take this, and you're going to fold it over. Okay, you're going to fold it over. Just like that. Okay. Now you should have something that looks like this. Okay. Now you're going to take the paper, you're going to turn it over just like this, so that the bottom nose, the nose is facing you. You're going to take the nose, sorry about this little rip right there, I'm not going to do a little test flight right now, but I might do some test flights in other videos, okay? So you're going to take that and you're going to flip it down to, so you're going to line the nose up with the center crease right there. You're going to crease this nice and good. And you're going to sweep the rest of that out. Now you should have something that looks like this. Okay. Now you're going to take this and you're going to do a little bit of line. You're going to crease it down like that. You're going to turn the plane over after you have something like this. You're going to sweep those out then, just like that. You're going to turn the plane over, and you're going to fold this nose straight down along this line. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to take the plane. I'm going to flip it over so that this triangle is face down. I'm going to flip it up just like this. And you should have like this. You're going to take these edges, and you're going to fold them just a little bit longer than this bottom edge. Okay. You do the same thing to the other side. Then you open up your plane. And there you go. Personally, I think this plane flies pretty good. That's just my opinion. If you guys want to try this out, make it. You give me your opinion on it. Okay, this is Magic Zach 94. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.